looking to learn that style that you know work 100% of the time, in this video I'm going to show you how to do just that. This hairstyle is quick, easy to remember. These are all the things that we need to achieve this hair: our pins, our elastic band, like the little elastic band, the black one, we need it for this hairstyle. If we are just meeting for the first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris Bex, a hairstylist in the United Kingdom. If you are in London, you're looking for someone to style you for your big day, this is our website and I'll give you a free consultation. We do different type of special event hair and we teach students all over the world how to style. I'm just going to start by putting a band on the hair, taking the two sides like that. So just put your hand and flip it. Just watch what I'm doing now. So I just want you to just pull it, come a little bit closer. Yes, like that. You need to see what I'm doing. Just pull it. Don't pull it too tight. This is one of the styles that is a must learn so that you know when you're doing like a bridesmaid or a bride that just likes something simple and you know, okay, this style will not disappoint me. So put a band. So it's better to use like a black band if you are using a black hair. So like that, and then I'm just going to flip it. Okay, so just flip it over. I don't want it to be too tight. Now I'm pushing it into the first one. You see, it just give like illusion, like where is it coming from? That's what we are going to do. So just use your hand to just pull it just a little bit. That's it. Just going to go in with some hairspray, just spray it, and now I'm going to use a band to just catch it at the end. I'm still using the tiny band, so I'm just going to hold it just like that. Watch me under the light, so keep me in. This is what we are going to be doing. We're just going to flip it. So first I'm just going to just tease it lightly. You don't really need to do this, but I'm just going to do this. So if you don't know how to do this, you can just put like a sponge in the middle of that place, but I'm just going to tease it to just give me like extra volume because the hair is not that full. I'm using a band to just hold this part. I'm just holding this part. So don't you pay them any man. If you watch yesterday's video to the end, you know I normally give assignment. So before the end of this video, and if you are a hairstylist, I would like to give you an assignment, and it would be nice to just put it in the comment section. Let me know if you are a beginner or you are an advanced hairstylist. What do you do as makeup artist? I think makeup artists and hairstylists, we are the same. Get the pin, just hook it. You can see what I did. So I hook it with a band, but it's not secure, so I have to hook it 3 more times. So hook there and then hook the other part. I don't want to teach you anything and say, oh, Chris Bex taught me that. No, I'm going to deny you. Just, you can see there now, because of the teasing, it gave it a little extra volume. I'm just using my pin, just pin it. It doesn't really matter, nobody can see. I'm just going to pin the other side. What do you think? I told you this is a quick, easy, and nobody can get it wrong. Even though you are a beginner, just do it. First time, second time, you will get it right. And people like this kind of simple hairstyle. Just pin it. So what I am doing now, I'm just going to put some hairspray. Make sure that we are well pinned. So I'm putting another pin, and whenever you do it, just make sure that the hair is pinned. You don't want the hair falling down. Now I'm just going to fix that place again. So whenever you do hair, just take extra time to just make sure that the hair is in the right place. Don't forget to share us out. Share this video to your friends and family. Let them see one new hairstylist in London. I'm old school, guys. So I'm just going to pinch that place up pinch it up. This hairstyle, I really had fun doing it, and I hope you are going to have fun recreating it. So I'm just using the spray to just kind of do that, to just make it too strong, to stay a little bit stronger. So now get your accessory. This is a beautiful, fabulous hairstyle. Put any accessory of your choice. I wanted to put three is just a little bit like dodgy, you can see, so I'm just going to put 2, and that's it. This is our hairstyle. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in our next video. Do this hairstyle, take a picture before and after, and send it to my Instagram, and I'll give you feedback. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.